Good afternoon. My name is Kent Brian Sidoroin. Which characteristic of the human person resonate most with you and why? First is rationality, freedom, uniqueness, social being, and spirituality. First is rationality. Rationality reflects the capacity for logical thinking, reasoning, and decision making, often guided by evidence, experience, and ethical principles. However, it is influenced by the cognitive biases, emotion, social pressure, and limitation in knowledge. Despite this limitation, humans strive for rationality by learning from experience, leveraging tools like logic and data analysis, and collaborating to improve decision-making process. Rationality in humans also encompasses ethical and value-based consideration which shape judgment about what is desirable or meaningful. Next is freedom. Freedom reflects the capacity to make choices according to one will and pursue goals in alignment with personal values, belief, and desire. It is both philosophical concept and practical condition influenced by internal and external factor. Human freedom is a dynamic concept deeply tied to the human pursuit or of self-determination, justice, and fulfillment. It reflects both the potential and the responsibility to shape one life and contribute to society. Uniqueness. Uniqueness reflects the distinctiveness of each individual shaped by a combination of inherent traits, personal experience, and social interaction. Human uniqueness is a statement to the complexity of individual lives and the vast potential for diversity within humanity. It allows for creativity, innovation, and the formation of deep personal connection, making every person an irreplaceable part of human experience. Human experience. Okay. Social being. Social being reflects the intrinsic nature of humans to live, interact, and thrive within communities. This social aspect is fundamental to individual development and cultural evolution and collective survival. Here's how it manifests. Human as social being underscore the interconnectedness of individual lives and collective system. The balance between the personal autonomy and social responsibility is central to human flourishing, emphasizing the needs of relationship, community, and collaboration in achieving a fulfilling life. Spirituality. Spirituality reflects the deeper, often transcendent aspect of human existence, connecting individuals to something greater than themselves. It encompasses the wide range of beliefs, experience, and practice that relate to meaning, purpose, and the nature of existence. Spirituality reflects in the human person search for a deeper meaning, connection, and fulfillment. It plays a key role in navigating life changes, fostering personal growth, and contributing to a sense of peace and purpose, whether expressed through religion or personal reflection. Spirituality offers a pathway to understanding the self and the world in ways that go beyond the material and immediate. And that's all. Thank you.